Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step on how to install a plugin in WordPress. By using a plugin, we can extend the functionality of any of the features, or we can add a new features in our WordPress site. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now to install a plugin, first of all we have to go to our dashboard. So let's go to our dashboard, and from the dashboard now we have a plugin section here in the dashboard. So you can directly click on that plugin section, and when you will click on that plugin section, you will get this add new button. So by clicking on this add new, we can install a new plugin. So when you will click on this add new, you will get these tabs like featured, popular, recommended and favorites. So if you have mentioned, or if you have selected some of the plugins as favorites, it will come in this favorite tab. But these are the recommended and featured or popular theme. It completely depends on which plugin you want to use. Suppose for the site which we are building, we are using Elementor plugin, which is a page builder to build our site. So what I can do here, I will search here for the plugin name which is called Elementor, and once you will search here for Elementor, you will see like Elementor website builder is coming. So what you have to click on this install now to install this plugin. So once you will click on this install now, you can see like it is installing. And for your convenience, to give you one trick, let me install one more plugin which is this element kit. So now if you will see here, our Elementor website builder is installed. If I will click on activate here, then it will again reload, then again I have to search for Elementor, then this element kit will come, and then again I have to click on this install and then activate. So that will be a longer process. So here you can see like I have installed these two plugins in one search. After that, what I will do, on the left side under plugins, you will find this install plugins. So you can click on that install plugin and you can select the plugin, and under bulk action you can choose activate and click. Once you will click on this apply button, both the plugins will be activated in a single click. So thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Thank you so much.